Hey guys, Mac Jeffy here. Welcome back to another video. Today a package have arrived and I'm thinking this might be like a take-along Thomas toy or something, but we'll just have to see what's inside. Okay. Alright, let's see what they say. And here they are, the Sodo fog cars. I think they're supposed to make a noise or something. Yeah. So here is a Blasting Cap company car. Right here, Blasting Cap car. And here's the fog car. I think it's supposed to have like some batteries inside. Yeah. It's in excellent condition overall. Yeah. I might just go and see if I can put batteries in it. Yes, what? Cars.
Look at them. Are they two what you ordered?
The came separate.
And is that what you wanted?
Yeah.
Fabulous.
Just need batteries in them.
Oh, does it? One of them little tiny round ones?
Round ones, yeah.
Okay, I'll get you one in a bit then. Let me just finish this text.
Shall I get myself to see
Do you know where they are?
No.
Do you know downstairs in the living room?
Yeah.
Do you know behind the door where there's that little box that's got your Thomas trains in?
Oh, yeah.
Do you know which one I mean on white unit?
The blue one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The batteries are all in there with that.
Okay.
Do you know where I mean?
Yeah. Of course I do.
On that white unit behind the room door.
Alright.
Yeah, there's a little box that's got your Thomas ones in, the screwdrivers and those little batteries.
Okay. What little box? The one upstairs?
No, I'll come down for you. I'll show you. So in the living room, behind the living room door,
Yeah.
you lead the way. In the living room, behind the living room door. Behind the living room door. On the white unit. With the box that's got your in.
Okay.
Got a screwdriver in there as well.
Yeah.
You're alright doing that?
Yeah.
Are you sure? Because I can do it if you don't want to do it.
No, I'm fine.
Fabulous.
I'm fine.
Okay, darling.
Alright, I'm back, guys. I just needed to think now. 1 second. Just needed to put the batteries in. Yeah. Okay. I think the battery thing might be finger or something. Or it might be the big ones. Yeah. Probably might be the bigger ones or something. Oh, sorry about that, guys. My battery's running low. I might have to charge it after the finger. There we go. Very noisy fog car. Yeah. Well, yeah, our fog car has got sound now. Let me press the button. Yeah. And it's the same fog machine as in the episode The Fog Man from season 7, I think. I think it's from season 7 or season 6. I don't know. Yeah, there's a little thing right now. So yeah, thanks for watching my unboxing on the take along fog cars from Thomas and Friends. And hopefully my next take along unboxing will be Mike, the one of the engines. So yeah, bye guys.